The following video
Justice,
is
there's a
my
delivery
son
for you.
getting very excited over a Ryan's Toys Review
Amazon.
school bag. Hope you enjoy.
Package for you.
I think I know where it is.
Well, go get it. What is it? Power Straw? Come down here with this light vehicle. Is it Ryan or are you joking? Are you joking? You get Ryan's Toys Review in Canada. You got Ryan's Toys Review? No way. I don't believe it. 5 pieces? Come on, get it out. Get it out. I want to see it. I think it is. See. Open it. What else did you get in there? And there's 5 pieces, it said. 5 pieces. That means there's 5 things. I think he's right in front of him. He doesn't see it. Open up that plastic piece and I think all the pieces. Pencil case, Ryan. Okay, Jax, give it back. Give it back. This is continue to open up. What is this? Open it up inside. Okay, so there's the lunch bag. Lunch bag, bottle, pencil case. What's the 5th thing there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, what do you say? Thank you, Mom and Dad?